In this video, we'll guide first-time users through the basic operations and settings of the Luna Ultra Standard Bundle and Creator Bundle, helping you get started quickly. Unboxing. Luna Ultra is available in two bundles, the Standard Bundle and the Creator Bundle. Inside the bundles, you'll find activating and inserting your microSD card. Rotate the screen clockwise to power on the camera. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen or tap via NFC to go directly to the download page and install the Insta360 app. Open the app, tap Search Camera on the home page, and connect to your device. Then tap Activate. Once activation is successful, the camera is ready for use. The camera includes 47 gigabytes of built-in storage and supports up to 1 terabyte of external storage. To insert a micro SD card, open the protective cover of the card slot on the right side of the main unit. Insert the micro SD card in the direction shown and press it in with your fingernail until it clicks into place. You can later pull down the menu and swipe from left to right to change the storage location. Powering off. To power off the device in horizontal shooting mode, simply rotate the screen counterclockwise back to its original position. You can customize the screen rotation action in Settings, Screen Rotation Operation. In vertical mode or adaptive horizontal, rotating the screen will not power off the device. Instead, it will switch to vertical shooting mode. To power off the device in this mode, press and hold the shutter button. How to use. Use the joystick to control lens direction. Push the joystick in 3 times or press the left button on the rotating screen to quickly flip shooting angles. Push the joystick in to enable auto tracking. The camera will track the main person in the frame. If no person is detected, it will track a general subject in the center area of the frame. Push the joystick in again to cancel tracking. Push and hold the zoom button for continuous zoom from 1 times to 12 times zoom. Short push the button to quickly switch between them. Swipe left from the right edge of the screen to enable beauty mode effects. Press the shutter button to start recording. During recording, the indicator light will flash red. Press the shutter button again to stop recording. By default, the camera is set to landscape mode. To switch to vertical shooting, swipe down to open the shortcut menu and select Auto Orientation or Vertical Mode. Rotating the screen will automatically switch the camera to vertical shooting. Detaching the remote screen. Press and hold the release buttons on both sides, then gently pull to detach the remote screen. It can be used to control the camera remotely or as a microphone for audio capture. To reattach the remote screen, press and hold the release buttons on both sides. Align the top part, and gently press downward until it is securely attached. Playback. After shooting, swipe right from the left edge of the screen to review your most recent footage. Charging. The camera uses USB-C charging. Please use the official charger included in the box. During charging, the indicator light will remain solid orange. We recommend charging the camera while it is powered off. Tap the icons at the top of the display screen to check the battery levels of both the gimbal and remote screen. Thanks for watching the Luna Ultra QuickStart guide. Stay tuned for more tutorials from us. See you next time!